Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, it's been a show so far. It's Saturday, August 28th, and I wanted to be planting my food plots by like 8 or 8:30. It's now 11:30, so I think I'm ready to start planting. I'm going to try and film everything with one GoPro, at least until the battery runs out. So I got the Polaris ready to go. I had to put a little strap for support on that for the front. And I had a stack of fertilizer, so I thought I was prepared. Usually I get it and keep fertilizer all summer. Well, there's the stack. So I was kind of prepared, but that's all urea, almost all of it. There was one bag of 624-24. So I had to go into town and stock up. Luckily, I made it before noon on Saturday. There was only one place with fertilizer left. So now, let the fun begin. We got heat index warnings, but man, I need to get some seeds in the ground. Let's try it out. And a quick channel shout out to Marauder Michelli. He reminded me I've got this GoPro stick, so I'm going to start using it. Anyways, he's got a Bobcat excavator, he's got a John Deere tractor, and some off-road machines. He does trail riding and such, so I'll put a link to his channel. But just want to say thanks for reminding me to try something different here with the GoPro stick. A little bigger. Four-grain mix. It's either a 3 or a 4-grain mix. And the next time I gotta go, I need to modify this Danks planter, because this thing is a lid like this and only has these 2 rubber latches right here. Even with this running this strap here, you can see how it's wanting to come up, so I might have to actually screw that down during planting. All right, we got the big seed and the fertilizer down. Now I'm going to drag this to You want that stuff down about 1 inch or so, give or take, them grains. So we'll drag it and then come in with the small seed and then cultipack it. This plot is not that large, so I'm doing a triple whammy. I got the seed and the fertilizer mixed, and I got the drag, so this is going to be pretty much like a one-pass deal. This fertilizer is a little moist, plumping up, so when you mix it with the dry seed, it comes out of the seeder a little bit better. So this is a triple whammy right here. Favorite. I'll show you a few clips of why it's my favorite. Of what time she rescues me and busts these deer out with a quiet electric with the lights on, and how fast they come back in. And you can make your own decision on gas versus electric based on what you see. Man, we're praying for rain. It's too dry to even cultipack. Normally I'd do a cultipack run, but it's too dry. Hit that clover with fertilizer also. Should give it a nice boost. that's it. If it had any moisture, I'd run the cultipacker once more, or seed to soil contact, but it's just bone dry. So we're praying for rain.